In the heart of the 17th century, as the world grappled with the complexities of celestial mechanics, a brilliant mind rose from the obscurity of a provincial life. This was Isaac Newton, a man whose intellect would reshape the cosmos in ways no one could have foreseen. Born in a small village called Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, Newton was a child of the countryside, more at home with apples and farm work than the intricate dance of the stars. Yet, fate had other plans for him. After the untimely death of his mother, Newton was sent to the prestigious Trinity College, Cambridge. Here, he was exposed to the works of great minds such as Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler, who had already begun to challenge the traditional view of a geocentric universe. However, it was the celestial spectacle of the Great Comet of 1661 that sparked Newton's deep fascination with the heavens. He spent countless hours observing the comet's trajectory, pondering the forces at play, and wondering if gravity, a force previously confined to terrestrial phenomena, could be the key to understanding the cosmos. Years passed, and Newton's genius was overshadowed by his own introverted nature. It wasn't until 1666, when the Great Plague and the Great Fire of London forced the university to close, that Newton found himself with the solitude he needed to delve into his ideas. In his retreat, Newton embarked on a journey that would lead him to the very heart of the cosmos. He deduced the laws of motion and the universal law of gravitation, which explained the motion of the planets and the tides. These groundbreaking insights would form the foundation of his magnum opus, the Principia Mathematica. Published in 1687, the Principia Mathematica was a revelation. It presented a comprehensive and mathematically rigorous explanation of the physical world, the likes of which had never been seen before. Newton's work offered a new understanding of the universe, where the sun, not the earth, was the center, and the planets moved not by divine intervention but by the invisibly powerful force of gravity. The Principia Mathematica was not without controversy. Newton's bold assertions challenged the established order, and not everyone was ready to accept his groundbreaking ideas. Yet, the work stood the test of time, and its influence can still be felt in every aspect of modern science. Today, we remember Isaac Newton not just as a man who discovered the laws of motion and gravity, but as a visionary who dared to question the status quo, and in doing so, forever changed our understanding of the cosmos. The Principia Mathematica remains a testament to Newton's genius and a beacon of scientific inquiry that continues to inspire generations.